गोंय एक धाकटुलें स्वर्ग जंय सगळे लोक झाडां आनी जनावरां जांचो हांव खूब मोग करत रावतात. गोंय म्हाजें घर. जे भाशेन मनशाक तांबडे काळीज आसा जें तांकां बरें बोले जीवन दिता. गोंयक एक हिरवें काळीज आसा. भगवान महावीर वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी आनी मोलेम नॅशनल पार्क सह्याद्री घाट मोडेम. तेंचे काळीज हिमालयास पर्वता पोरूस पोरविले 150 मिलियन वर्सां पुराणे जंय सोबीवंत दूधसागर, घोसघोसा आनी दुसरे खूब बरे प्राणी आसात. डिसेंबर 2019 सरकारान रेल्वे, हायवे आनी ट्रान्समिशन प्रोजेक्ट पास केला जो त्या पाकाचो जागो कव्हर करपाचो आसा. जेन्ना आमी सगळे लॉकडावनान आसले तेन्ना हो प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव्ह जाला. म्हणटकच आमचे सोबीत जंगलाचे 250 हेक्टर ना जातले. ते 375 फुटबॉल ग्राउंड कशे सगळे कव्हर जावन उडयतले.
So I heard about the 3 projects that were happening in Mole and I just decided to come by and check it out. I didn't expect it to be so devastating because you come up and there's this tiny little road and it goes into this completely into this dense forest, and then you suddenly get here and there's like this huge clearing bang in the middle of the forest. You can actually see the edges of the forest are pristine, and then right as the tree cover ends you can see it's completely desolate. Like it's almost like someone has shaved this entire section of forest over. So what this area actually is, it's the substation for a 400 kV transmission line that's supposed to come through the forest as well as private land, and they were granted permission for this particular substation, but instead of cutting just 0.55 hectares they've gone and cut about maybe like 5 times that or 6 times that.
ते सगळे मेळून 80,000 वयर झाडां कातरपाक पयतली. हे सगळी झाडां 400 वर्सां पयलींची. आमी जो कार्बन डायऑक्सायड भायर सोडटा तो सोसून घेवन ती झाडां आमकां खूब मदत करता आनी आमचो निसर्ग बरो दवरता. ह्या झाडाक लागून आमकां पावस येता आनी नितळ उदीक मेळटा.
Most of the water that Goa receives, and much of it, I would say the northern part of Goa, it comes from these forests. The Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary and Mahavir Sanctuary, they together supply water to these Anjuna Dam and Opa plant which is there, which is supplied to most of Goa. And anything that happens in these areas will directly affect a considerable population of people in Goa. One of the most famous, I would say, reptile of this particular sanctuary is the Ampanoagh pit viper. Basically, it's an ambush predator and it's one of the main reptiles that people from maybe all over the country come to see here in Goa.
ही जंगलां जायत्या संकश्टांत पडलेली जानवरां घर. हांव जेन्ना म्हाज्या इश्टा वांगडा भोंवपाक वयता तेन्ना आमकां वाग, ढोल, हरण आनी इंडियन पेंगोलीन दिसता. नेचर दी घर खूब फावटी ऑटर दिसता, सांभार दिसता, उदीक पिवपाक येता तेन्ना आनी खूब क्यू पळोवपाक आसा. पूण आमी जर राखून दवरले जाल्यार.
I'm from Mollem. I'm born and brought up here, and I've studied botany for last 5 years. I've also done my research project in this particular reserved area. I've seen fireflies in the forest covering the whole bushes of the trees, and we have seen it like a Christmas tree. So that is what is a Christmas tree for me actually.
ह्या जंगलाकडे खूबशी गांव आसा. थंय खूब समाजाचे लोक रावता. त्या भरोस्यार खातीर कितलीशी जनावरां आनी पक्षी त्यांच्या खातीर आसा. पूण कितले दुख्ख लागता म्हाका हें सांगपाक की त्यांची घरां सगळी ना जातली.
तांबडी सुर्ला म्हणटा थंयसर 3 वाडे आसा. 3 वाड्यांनी मेळून एक 60-70 घरां आसा, आनी त्या घरांनी मेळून आमचे 700-800 फॅमिली आसा. आनी हे सगळे 700-800 फॅमिली जी आसा ती सगळी डिपेंड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. ती लायनी खातीर जवळ जवळ 40 मिटर की अशी कितें तरी झाडां कापपाची आसा व्हडली व्हडली आनी ती लायन कापपाची म्हणजे ती आमचें जें शेत आसा तें ऑलरेडी आमचें 40च्या सकयल आसा म्हणजे फूल आमचें शेतूच काबार जाता म्हणजे ते आमचें आनी आमकां सोर्सूच ना शेत हें करपाक.
ही म्हजी झाडां, ही कोकोनट ट्री, ही एरेका जे आय हॅव डेवलप्ड फॉर लास्ट 25 years. I am developing this. So they have numbered it. You can see this. They have marked. I have stopped them marking these trees, and they are saying me it will be the width of this line will be 50 meters from here, and all these 50 meters height also trees will be cut down. माझी गाय आसा हांगा, डेरी आसा, प्लस माझी झाडां आसा ही तुम्ही यू कॅन सी हायट ऑफ दॅट ट्रीज. सो हाव मेनी years it took me to develop this area. So I am now Atmanirbhar, but I will be coming on road if this project works. म्हणजे हे जालें जाल्यार सगळीं झाडां गेली नंतर मागीर आमकां आनी दुसरो सोर्स उरपाना.
आणि हे सगळे गोंयानूच घडोंक ना, हे सगळे इंडियानूच घडटा. ह्या भाशेन 31 आनी प्रोजेक्ट्स आसा. हे सगळे लोक आनी जनावरां खंय वयतली?
I have spent my entire childhood here. I have grown up here. There are so many memories of just going to the forest and wandering or playing in the water springs. And I also remember my uncle taking me and my friends for jungle safari. And we have seen there so many animals like the bison, the deer, the porcupine, or even the monkeys. And that feeling is really amazing. You can't put it into words. So that is how the people from here are connected to the nature or the animals. Obviously it's really heartbreaking knowing that it's all going to go away. If people are made aware or they are told, then I'm very sure that people will stand for this land or the nature, and obviously are going to come up and speak about it.
म्हाका नाका या लोकांची आणि जनावरांची घोरां ना जळयली, आणि म्हाका नाका गोंयांचे कालीज ना जळयले. आम्ही सगळे मेळून आणि किती तरी करूया. तुम्ही वाचयतली ही जंगला माझ्या वांगडा मेळून?